Hey, welcome back. I'm Todd Smith with another video teaching you how to make money and achieve financial freedom with real estate investing. Over the years, I've been blessed to teach tens of thousands of investors from newbies to millionaires, so I know I can help you too. But before we get into today's topic, if you haven't done so already, I just want to remind you to check out my free 90-minute online training class about how to buy houses without cash or credit at realestateCashflowSecrets.com. I'll put that link and maybe some other resources in the description for this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video. And for some reason, YouTube made it harder. So after you hit subscribe, you got to hit the bell and then you got to hit all to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the money-making information that I have to share with you, because I do upload videos regularly. Fair enough? All right, let's get started. In this video, I want to answer the question, Todd, will your methods of real estate investing work in my area where I live? And the answer is no, it probably won't work, but if you move away, it'll probably start working. But seriously, yes, if there are houses where you live, then yes, the methods that I teach of buying property without cash or credit will work in the area that you live. All right, so anywhere there's houses, there's always a demand. Everybody's got to live somewhere, and the situations that allow us to buy houses without cash or credit occur to everybody. In every area, people are having job transfers, people are losing their job, people are getting promoted, people are getting demoted, people are dying, all right, people are being born, right? So they're born, they got to move to a different house, they got to move to a different school district, people are dying, so that creates probate and estate settlement situations. People get sick, right? They have hospitals where you live, right? They got houses where you live. So then health becomes a more important consideration than the price that they get for their house, or waiting to get top dollar for their house because they need to do something quickly. So there are a lot of situations, time-sensitive situations, that people need our help, and that's one of the reasons why the methods I teach will work where you live, because these situations happen to everybody, in every market, in every city, everywhere. Now, if you live in a city that's so tiny that there's just not a lot of opportunities, then probably within an hour or two of where you live, right, you can drive to a larger city where there is more opportunity. But I know a lot of investors who have made a lot of money in small towns. In fact, as of this date, my second most successful student, 𝗙𝗖𝗓𝗏, he's from Mansfield, Ohio. He makes money in Mansfield, Ohio. To me, I'm from Columbus, big city. To me, Mansfield is just a small town, a small city. But Gary does well there. In addition to that, I know several investors who've done very well in the Springfield, Dayton area of Ohio. And again, I'm from Columbus, Ohio, the capital city. We got a metropolitan area of close to 2 million people. So to me, Springfield, Dayton, Mansfield, these are all small cities. These are all very small cities in Ohio, and people are making money in these areas. So the bottom line is, these methods work if you work them. It doesn't matter where you live. And if your area, if you've got a small town with only 2 or 3 stoplights, then just drive to a larger metropolitan area and make it happen. Hey, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out any additional resources that I might have for you in the description section of this video. If you like this video, then show me some love with a heart on Facebook or a thumbs up on YouTube, and leave a comment below to let me know how the video helped you. If you have any real estate investing questions, go ahead and write those in the comments below, and it just may become the topic of my next video. And if you know anybody else that might benefit from this video, then go ahead and share it. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos, and until next time, may all your parents have rich children, and may all your children have rich parents.